Hey fam, so it's afternoon ngayon here in Calgary, in snowy Calgary. So medyo malakas yung snow kagabi. But then, ang galing kasi biglang naging sunny and medyo pawala na siya. So, pero meron pa rin. And then, today pupunta kami ng Sunridge Mall. So, we're going to check out a clinic kasi nag-schedule si Donna ng vaccine.
Flu shot
for all of us. So, flu shot plus vaccine din ba yun?
Yeah.
COVID, no?
Yeah.
COVID. Okay, so COVID vaccine. So, syempre, as usual, since Canada and it's covered by their universal healthcare, so it's free. So, syempre, take advantage natin yun and hopefully, hindi kami magkasinat, hindi kami magkalagnat. Kasi usually may mga side effects eh. Kina Davon, buti kina Davon siya kay Lian, wala naman no. So sa akin din, well, sa akin sumasakit yung balikat ko, tsaka kay Donna, pero yeah, so far sa mga kids wala. So see you later. Daycare ng mga bata. Oh, that is cold. Sobrang lamig. Pero hindi pa daw ito yung solid na lamig. Okay, so yan. Okay, so pasok tayo. Sarap dito. So yun pala, although si Davon, my kindergarten, naka full-time daycare pa rin yung mga bata. From 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. And ang cost ng daycare nila is roughly 200 to 300 each. So yun yung cost nung... Yeah, syempre option mo yun eh. Pwede mo namang hindi sila daycare pero pupunta sila sa, well, nasa bahay sila the whole day. And even though nag-work from home ako, hindi din naman pwede na may mga maingay na bata doon. So, kasi nasa meeting ako lagi, nasa Zoom, nasa Google Meet, usap yung mga boss, and then coordinate with the software developers and ibang mga managers. So, yun yung daily ko. So, hindi din pwede na may disturbo rin sa mga bata. Meron, but it's small. Hindi wag na natin nga gamitin yan eh. So, I'll tell you. So, ayun. Ayun lang, sharing lang. So, yun, may help kami. Pagdating dito sa Alberta. Although, in Richmond din, in Vancouver, meron din silang full-time daycare. So, hi! 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 Hi, Alba!
Daddy!
Oh, you say hi first.
Look, Daddy!
Oh, wow! What are those? Are those stickers?
Yeah.
You like the stickers? Do you like the stickers?
Oops.
Oh, that's nice.
And this is nice.
That is not. These are your artwork for today? These are your artwork for
Today
today?
I had... Mommy, today I had...
Yan, yan. So this is hard kasi ang sa loob niya is masikip.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I cried.
Yeah.
I
You see?
lot, Mommy.
Oh, there's a lot of sticker. This one, how about this one? Can you tell Daddy, what is this?
Octopus.
Octopus. Can you tell Daddy, what is this?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Can you tell Daddy, what is this?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. How about this one?
Ladybug.
Ladybug. How about this one, Lian? You know that. Fish.
Fish.
Fishy. Oh, and my son is here too.
Kuya,
You say hi to Alba. Calm down.
Hi,
Hi, Alba Fam Bam. Okay, are we ready to go? Do you have all your water bottles and lunchbox?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Ooh.
The ice melt.
Yep, the ice melted, Kuya. Come on, come on, Kuya. Yeah, pag mga kids talaga, gustong-gusto talaga nilang maglaro kahit sobrang lamig. Oh, come on na. Dianica Deneira and Dave and Leonard, it's super cold outside. Let's go. How about Daddy? Daddy will become Iceman. Okay, halina. Okay. So, see you later. Pagdating namin ng clinic, I'll be driving. Drive safely and slowly lang kasi icy pa yung mga kalsada. Right? See ya. Hi fam. Ayan na yung mga kids. Hi.
Daddy, we're going.
Super lamig sa labas. Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
We're going.
Where are we going? We're going to a mall. The mommy's going to check something from the mall. Samahan natin si mommy.
Yeah.
Opo.
I'm good. Kuya, stay, boy. Boy, stay here.
Okay.
No, I
Okay. No. We're
Together,
also
all
going
together.
together, okay?
want
Okay, so see you fam. Later. Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
to Atikowi.
See you later fam.
Mommy, I need
Opo.
to say twinkle, twinkle, little, then the movie be happy. No, then the
Yeah.
star will be happy.
So we're on our way na sa
Twinkle,
clinic.
little star.
Alas 5 pa lang, 5:20. Pero madilim na kasi nga nag-start na winter. So mabilis nang dumilim. Nag-snow kanina. Pero nawala na rin yung snow kasi nga uminit din afterwards. Yun ang medyo weird na panahon dito sa Calgary. At ang mga anak ko po ay maingay. Always. They love to sing. So,
lang anak, kanta lang kayo. Yan, wala na yung snow.
oo nga
Wala
eh.
na. Natuyo na agad, pero sobrang lamig pa din.
Malamig pa rin sa
Pero yun na, nakikita nyo yan sa nasa right side.
Yeah.
May mga puti-puti. Konti.
1 degree sa labas ngayon, pero may hangin kaya medyo malamig talaga. Buti na lang uminit nga this afternoon, so nawala yung mga snow sa paligid. Okay, pakakantahin ko muna ang mga anak ko.
Wait. When the lights are on and bright, every lights are strong. Wait. Wait. Mom, you're not listening.
Lihan. Kuya is memorizing the lyrics ko. Ayan.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay!
Okay, we're going here to Alberta Health Services. Come on, let's go, Kuya. Come on. Kuya, come on. Okay. Come on, kuya. Ooh, it's so hot here. Pindot. The free flu shot and COVID-19 vaccine. Welcome to Sunridge Immunization Clinic. Okay, we're gonna be here. Yan, so later guys, kasi baka bawal.
A few moments later.
So kuya, how was it? How's the injection? Kuya, you answer me? Boo? Boo or yay? Kuya, how's the injection? Kuya, how's the injection? How's the experience? Boo or yay? Can you show me again your finger? Boo? Bakit? But that's gonna make you stronger. Okay. So after the injection, syempre, we need to wait for 15 minutes. So, nandito pa rin kami sa Alberta Health Services. And me and Kuya Davon's just waiting, and Mommy and Leon's inside. Are you happy now? Are you happy now that you're stronger and better with the injection and with the vaccine, the COVID vaccine? Are you happy? Okay, very good. That's my boy. And where are we going again after the injection? Where are we going again, Kuya? Eat? Eat? Kuya Davon, where are we going again? Eat? We're going to? Ja? Where are we going again? Kuya? Jollibee. Punta kami ng Jollibee. Kailangan may suhol eh. So yeah, punta kami ng Jollibee after the injection. With the brownies ni Mommy. So, si Donna and si Leah nasa loob pa. I couldn't see them.
Flu shot and COVID shot is done. So, next stop is dinner. So, magda-Jollibee. Saan kuya?
Jollibee! Okay!
So, malapit na dito yung Jollibee. So, doon na lang din kami.
Sunridge Mall.
So, doon na lang din kami mag-dinner.
So, success! Grabing iyak ni Kuya. And grabe din iyak
Hindi kami nakapag-video doon kasi we don't know if it's allowed or not.
It's not allowed.
It's not allowed because...
Not allowed.
So, ayun.
And so, that's
Jollibee.
all. Mission success.
Ready for winter?
Ready for winter. And
Okay.
ready for the flu. So,
Up.
see ya.
Okay.
And as promised, sabi ng mga kids after ng vaccine, magja-Jollibee daw. Yeah. Okay. Wow, Jollibee. Who's happy? Kuya, they're dancing. Yan, hanap muna tayo pwesto. Okay, sila naman tao eh. Yan, who's happy? Okay, then we went to Jollibee. Okay, that's great. Oh, one side, one drink, and dessert pie. Are you happy, Kuya? Are you happy? Are you happy with Jollibee? After the vaccine? Very good. Okay, see you later, fam. Gutom? Gutom ka? Biyak ka na madami gutom? Wow! Sarap? More rice pa ba? We have a surprise here. You break it. Yun pala yung bagragdag ng pagmamahal. Pagkaya mo na ibigay yung balat ng chicken joy. Kami ninaintik. Away pa lang kami eh. Hey fam, nasa bahay na kami. So we're done. Mission accomplished. Na vaccine na kami lahat with COVID and flu. So syempre kailangan yun dito kasi of course the weather is super cold. Pag winter lalo na dito sa Alberta umaabot ng -40. So, kailangan talaga ng mga tao. Usually, nag-aano talaga ng flu shot ang mga tao to prevent flu, lagnat, sipon, ubo. Pero, hindi naman siya sigurado. talaga. So, may possibility pa rin na magkakaroon ka, but then, mas okay pa rin na may protection. And then, lahat din kami nagpa-shot din ng COVID. I think Moderna yung ginamit sa amin, yung tinanong ko. Or kaming dalawa ni Donna, Moderna. Tapos yung dalawang kids ay Pfizer. So, either combination naman is pwede as long as may COVID-19 shot ka. So, that's it. And, yeah, sobrang pagod. Don't hesitate to send us some comments, suggestions, or anything that you would want us to share with you guys. So, ayun. Please like, watch, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Alba Fam Bam. Hang loose.